Hey there everybody, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers with a Stampin' Show and Tell for you. We're going to be using the new Christmas Gleaming stamp set along with the coordinating Christmas Gleaming Designer Series paper. It's got some fun foil embellishments on some of the papers. This one happens to have that. And we are going to mimic the image of the ornaments with the ornament coordinating punches that come with the set to make this quick and simple holiday card. So really simple stamping, and then we're going to do some embossing with the new hammered metal 3D embossing folder, and then we'll just put it all together. So let's go ahead and get started. We first will do our two ornaments. So I'm going to stamp one in Old Olive and one in Night of Navy. Those colors coordinate with the Designer Series paper, and again they're going to mimic the ornaments in the Designer Series paper. So there's one, and then here's the blue one. Okay, so I'm just going to take my punch and shape it around my ornament. There's one, and then I'll do the second one with the smaller punch. Now you see I'm flipping my punches over so I can see the placement. I'm sure most of you do that by now. That way you can stamp and then punch and get them perfect every time. Okay, so there's our two ornaments. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the dry embossing with the hammered metal folder. Let's close off my ink so that I don't get ink where it shouldn't be. Okay, so I'm going to bring in my Big Shot and clear off my space. So here is my Big Shot. Now I've got it completely open, and I'm going to be using my blue embossing plate because this is a hammered 3D folder, so it's one of our new folders, so it's the 3D style, and the 3D style needs the blue embossing plate, or if you don't have the blue embossing plate you need to add some cardstock shims to get it to be a thicker texture for you. So let's see. So I'm just going to line that up like that. I'm putting this on this way, leaving my card open. So I'm going to put all that through, end up with an embossed face of my card. Pull that out. So see, I've got that metalled look, or you could use the reverse side if you want it more bumpy, but I'm going to go with the more metalled side. Now, something I just recently shared with my customers, and one of the articles on my blog, is I've decided to make it easier for myself, and for those of you who come to my stamp events, I'm going to be labeling all my folders. So I take a Sharpie, and this one is a 3D folder. So I'm simply going to write 3D equals blue. So that way I know when I pull this folder out, I don't have to have my little cover here to tell me it's 3D. A lot of times these get lost. So right on here I know it's a 3D style folder and that I need my blue plate to get a good impression with that. So that's pretty simple. So I do the same thing. I've gone back and done the same thing on my previous ones. If it was a dynamic folder from before the catalog change, I put DYN, and that's one clear plate. Or if it's one of our standard folders, I put 2 clear for indicating 2 clear plates. So that way it's easier to get success with our Big Shots and our embossing plates quicker. Okay, so now we're just going to do some simple layering. I'm going to layer some Designer Series paper onto some Old Olive cardstock. Okay, and then I'm going to put a band across the bottom here. And then we're going to put some of this special ribbon from the suite that says Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas on it. I'm just going to wrap and tack this around the back. So I'm going to go ahead and use that Merry Christmas. So I'm just going to center that, cut in between. But the ribbon has 2 versions. It's got more of the block print, it's got the cursive print. So I'm just going to take a little block of the ribbon. I'm just going to wrap some snail on the back. So just position that on your card, tack it around the back into that snail, just like that. Then we're going to pop the whole thing up on dimensionals, just to give it a little bit of lift off of our textured background. Some dimension. Okay, so I'm just going to position this up here in the corner, and I did it up in the corner so that I got room to put those ornaments down here, and then I'm just going to take a couple dimensionals on the big one and one on the small one. And we're just going to add those right to our card, and our simple stamping card will be done for this. Then on the inside, I would suggest you put a layer of Very Vanilla, because this is a dark card. And then you're going to stamp your greeting, write your message, and you're ready for your holiday card sending. So there we go today. So there's our quick and easy show and tell for today. Remember, you can hop on over to the blog and subscribe to the blog so that you can get all my articles and all the things I share, plus the tutorials are over there. And you can always leave me a comment. It's greatly appreciated. Let me know you enjoy what we're doing. All the links for this project to the blog are below in the description, so you don't have to go searching for it, making everything easy. And thanks for joining me today. I'll have some more fun projects using this Christmas Gleaming, as it's going to be my class of the month for the month of October. So you'll be seeing lots of these. Alright everybody, hope you have a great day and do some fun stamping. Thanks, bye-bye.